Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Morant Bay Urban Center. This is a game-changing facility built by the government in Morant Bay, the capital of St. Thomas. Now this development has state-of-the-art features. Internet, water, reliable electricity, everything you find in a modern town today. So the urban center is basically building a new town in Morant Bay, and it worked. Morant Bay, where some of the largest companies in Jamaica never had a presence, like KFC never had a store in St. Thomas, Hilo never had a store. I'm not sure if there was a Juicy Patties over here before, but they all have locations at this urban center now. Now that building to the right is a new courthouse. And what is unique about this facility is it was built to purpose. Basically, that building on the right from day one was designed and built to be a courthouse. That building on the left is a tax office. It was designed to be a tax office from day one. And also in that building, you're going to have the passport office. Now, coming into view on the left lower screen, that is going to be the Juicy Patties location. And behind it, that long building is where you have a commercial center where you can rent space. Now, don't think about renting space here. It's sold out. Has been sold out from almost day one. The entire facility is sold out. This facility did so well that the government is actually building more of them in Jamaica. They're building one over in Port Antonio, the Bound Brook Urban Center, and they're building one in St. Mary. And the government is committed to having one of these urban centers in every parish. So that long building is a commercial center where you can rent a space and build it out how you want. Hilo and Burger King are going to be in there. And behind that long building is where Hart and other factories are going to be. And that land that used to be behind the urban center is actually going to be developed into a business facility. It's not going to be for large tenants like what are in the urban center. It will be for smaller businesses. Now that building to the left, straight ahead, right beside the highway, and that's the Southern Coastal Highway. This is where KFC is going to be. And you know, once you have a KFC at your location, it's going to do well. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Now the facility, the construction is finished and the units have been handed over to the tenants. And the tenants are now building out the units to their specifications. So I think they said in 3 months the facility should be open to the public. And something that came up the other day is the units here are not cheap. Like the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation, they are paying $10 million a month for their building. They're not cheap, but it's a very nice facility. So we'll keep you guys updated on the rent of the various buildings because I'm curious how much they are paying in rent for that courthouse because it's a massive building. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated. That's the Southern Coastal Highway on the right. Not a game changer for St. Thomas, but we'll talk about that in another video. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.